To clean the filter on your Beko washing machine, you will locate it at the bottom of the machine. It's located on the right hand side of the machine, right in the corner, and you'll see this flap. What you're going to need here is a pan, which we have here, and to open up the flap you have to push down. There we are. Right, you'll notice you've got a pipe here and your drain filter here. So what we do first is that we'll drain out any excess of water. So get your pan. Right, undo the blue nozzle. Ready, just come in. There we are. Oh, there we are. Got a little bit of water. That's where your tray comes useful. It unclips there, and on the other side, and it can act as a tray. Right. Shouldn't be any more. Tiny bit left. Put the stuff back in, push, put it back in, push it back in, and then make sure the blue nozzle slots in between these two plastic prongs. Final thing you need to do is unscrew anti-clockwise this white plastic cap, and then there we are. Oh, look at that. That's just about big enough, near enough. Unclip, unclip. It's not the most perfect thing in the world, but it's actually one of the best trays I've actually used so far, to be honest. Right, so what you need to now check for is any coins or whatever in the trap. There's nothing whatsoever. This has a double trap actually, look. That means most of the major coins are going to end up here. Any small things are going to end up in here. And hopefully nothing will get through here. Now that's complete. There we are. Now we've completed this check. Get a cloth and wipe. So it's dry, it's clean, it's free from debris. It says, as it keeps leaking out. Right, and then you want to make sure this is clean. Make sure this is clean. There we are. Bit of a rub down. And then you put it back in, like so. Then twist clockwise. And it will automatically stop here, in this position. Keep turning it until it gets to this position. Right, what we'll now do, unclip both sides. Empty the last bit of water. Dry it down. Then we need to locate this side and this side. Push. Pull up like that. Right, push up. Right, now what we need to just check is that this is sealed correctly and this is sealed correctly. So all you need to do is select the rinse cycle on your machine. There we are. Close the door. Press start. let it run for a few seconds. Should be no leaks coming from here or here. No, and then you need to press and hold the start pause. That cancels the cycle. Drain pump's in motion. And again, just need to quickly check for any leaks. Right, that's finished draining now. And then push the flap until it clips back into place. So that's how you clean your Beko coin and filter trap. Thanks for watching, guys.